Yes! Finally! You have no idea how long I've desired to draw this fusion. Amazing. Tonight, we're going to draw the fusion of Baby and Zamsu fused. Tuffle and Supreme Kai fused as one. Amazing. I've always wanted to draw this guy, and now it's finally coming true. Let's play some celebratory music to do this. Alexa, play Join the Power Heroes.
Here's Join the Power Heroes by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Hey there, all you heroes. Yeah, all you heroes. Show us what you got, yeah. Show us you got power. Hey there, all you heroes. Calling all you heroes.
Unreal Gaming has created a lot of fusions, like Frieza, Vegito, Gogeta. Amazing. And this is just... This is the final... This is the best one I've gotten to see it drawn up. He's drawn a lot of fusions involving Zamasu and Baby, but mostly he's drawn a lot involving Majin Buu and Jiren and Broly. This one is my most favorite. Unlike most fusions, his hair is really, really spiky, and it sticks out that way. I just love the way he looks. Here's his hand. Now I just draw this part here. This is where his line is. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
All you heroes. Yeah, all you heroes. Show us what you got, yeah. Show us you got power. Hey there, all you heroes. Calling all you heroes. Wherever you are, yeah. Wherever you are. It doesn't matter where you come from, 'cause we are a team. It doesn't matter what you can do. Show some bravery. It doesn't matter if we're different. That's what makes us brave. And we're working with each other. We can save the day, yeah. Come on and join the power heroes. Yeah. Come on and join the power heroes. And we all have got the power. We just gotta work together. Come on and join the power heroes.
There we are.
Roll call. Catboy, I'll let you
I did.
Newton Star and woo! Ice Cup, Lily Faye, Fast Step, and Armadillo too. Hey! So let's go, Power Heroes. So let's go, Power Heroes. It's time to save the day. It's time to save the day. Come on and join the Power Heroes.
Here is his special pelt.
Heroes. 'Cause we all have got the
There we are. There. Shoot, forgot to draw the rest of him. And done. There he is. That's how you draw the fusion of Baby and Zamsu. Fused. Fused Zamsu and the tuffle. Out of all the fusions I've drawn, this one may have been my favorite. It might have been one of my best. The Supreme Kai from the Dragon Ball Super Arc fused with the tuffle from Dragon Ball GT. Definitely a good mix. Definitely a good mix. Glad I got that done and completed. Anyway, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to let me know what fusion you want me to draw next. I'm always here. I won't stop until they're all done. Good night, guys.